subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share my videos to your friends. Guys, welcome back to my channel Possible with Prakhya. So I'm Prakhya and I'm going to introduce to you our little master Hasith from Hyderabad. So Hasith, what are you going to do for us today?
To make hand sanitizer.
Okay. So you're going to make hand sanitizer. Let's see the items we require for that. 100 ml of propane alcohol, okay. 1 tablespoon of glycerin and hydrogen peroxide, okay, and 90 ml of water.
Add 100 ml propane alcohol. Now add 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide. Now add 1 teaspoon glycerin.
Okay, you added 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of glycerin, okay. Next.
Now add 90 ml of water.
Okay, so you're adding 90 ml of water. Okay, add 90 ml of water.
Now mix it well.
Okay, so you're mixing it well. Let's mix it well. Let's mix it well.
Now the hand sanitizer is ready.
Oh, great! The hand sanitizer is ready. Thank you, Hasith, for your demonstration and on how to make hand sanitizer. It will help many people, especially on this COVID-19 situation. So guys, to encourage Hasith, please like my video, share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my video. And Hasith, we are wishing you all the best so that you come back to this platform with many more experiments. Bye bye. Do you also want to show your talent on science experiments? Very easy. All you have to do is take a video of any simple science experiments you did at your home, upload it in Google Drive and send it to me at my Gmail account, which is possiblewithprakhya@gmail.com. Bye bye guys. Check the description for more details. Thank you guys. Bye bye.